Hi everyone, this is Priyanka, and after a long time it's really good to see you. Thanks a lot for watching my video. First of all, I know I have not been here for a long time, and this is going to be my first video after this long break. Well, you have already known what this video is going to be, and it is about a combination of skin serums that are actually magical. And you guys already know that I have been trying out a lot of types of face serums that are going to be appropriate for all the type of skin, all the kind of skin concerns. And in this journey I have actually found out two beautiful serums under budget which are actually going to work. I know there are a lot of serums, I know there are a lot of active ingredients in the market that are claiming to be appropriate for your particular skin concern, but honestly speaking I have not found out so many serums to be actually effective. It definitely allows your skin to be a little more glowy, a little more beautiful looking, but I don't find them a lot of effective in terms of their claims. So actually there will be two serums, and this serum combination of your face is going to be just for oily skin, for dry skin, for combination skin, for acne prone skin, and even or dull and aged skin. So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you the two serums that are going to be a magical potion for your skin, for your face, and of course for your skin concerns. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you this one at first. This is called 6-peptide complex collagen boosting farming essence from CONCIOUS CHEMIST. You already know this brand a lot, I hope. And this particular packaging first of all took my attention. As you can see, it looks very luxurious, but it is under budget. I'm confirming that. And but this particular serum is claiming to be collagen boosting. Now if you ask me, I don't personally believe in this particular notion that any cream or serum or toner can boost your skin collagen. I am not a believer on that. But yes, if you talk about the peptides, I do believe in the peptides and ceramides product, because I have been dealing with very dry skin since my childhood, and I know that how much peptides and ceramide based skincare actually helps a lot for the dull skin, for the dry skin, even for the combination skin as well. And particularly talking about this particular serum, this is an extremely lightweight serum. Let me show you the consistency first. It looks like a gel based moisturizer, and it's also very hydrating on your skin, especially if you are looking something really good for summer and for acne prone and sensitive skin, then this is going to be the one, because it is so good at getting penetrated into your skin really well. And this particular serum is very lightweight. If you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have dull skin, this is going to actually boost up your skin really well, and you can see the difference within a very few times. If you are using it for 3 to 4 times, you can already see the difference. This is going to revive your skin cells really well. I've applied it on my dull skin, because sometimes when I was suffering from fever for 8 or 10 days, I have seen my skin got really dull and absolutely no glow and youthfulness was there on my skin, and this serum helped me a lot. And this is also very budget friendly serum. Looking at the packaging and the quality of the serum, this is really good. You can definitely try this one. This one is from Nude Cosmetics. It's called their Legend 13 360 degree skincare barrier building super serum. Honestly, I have already talked about this brand's cleansing milk, and I'm really impressed with the quality of their cleansing milk. So I just got my hands on this one serum. I got a lot of good reviews regarding this serum, so I just wanted to try this one out. And the first usage did not really impress me. I found out that it may not do anything as it claims, but looking at the ingredient list, I thought to try out a little more to this serum. And let me tell you something, it is filled with lactobacillus ferment, some ceramides, alpha-butane and rice water, and a lot of actives. Let me tell you something, this particular serum is basically filled with all the good ingredients that your skin actually needs. If you have oily skin, dry skin, very dull skin, having absolutely no glow, combination skin, this is going to be the serum that is not going to hurt your skin concerns, also going to give you a very beautiful plump looking healthy glow to your skin. For the second time when I used this particular serum on my face, it actually showed me the result, and that was quite visible. I loved how plump and healthy my skin was looking. I would recommend it to be used at the night time because it is actually filled with a lot of active ingredients. So this is the best time to use this kind of serum, and you will definitely wake up with a beautiful plump and healthy looking skin. And this particular serum is very, very lightweight. Let me show you the consistency first so you can understand what I am talking about. As you can see, it's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just very, very lightweight on your face and neck. If you are applying it, this is going to penetrate within a few seconds, and this is not going to bother oily skin people because it is absolutely not heavy product to be used on your skin. And also it is going to give you a very, very brighter looking healthy plump skin, and you are going to fall in love with this particular serum. I just love this serum so much. You can use it all like itself, and you can use nothing without this particular serum. That is up to you, but this one is just something I can say it's an all-in-one product. This hydrates, this moisturizes, this gives a beautiful glow to your skin. This is just an all-in-one product. I love this serum so much. Also a pocket-friendly one. Do get your hands on this particular option. The whole point of using these two serums as a combination is this one is going to repair your skin barrier if you have very dull skin, compromised skin barrier, and absolutely no moisture and no hydration to your skin. This is going to help in that, and this one is going to make your skin even more youthful, brighter and healthier. And these two serums as a combination is going to gift you a beautiful looking skin at the end of the day. I feel like this particular serum is more safe to be used in the morning time, and when you are going for a good skincare routine, a 5-step or 7-step skincare routine, and you want to use something that is going to actually give your skin some extra benefits, some extra health, some extra brightness, some extra that youthfulness to your skin, then this is going to help you a lot. So this combination is going to be proven as the best combination for any type of skin. If you have oily skin, dry skin, dull skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, these two serums are going to go with all the types of skin. So definitely go get your hands on these two serums as of my recommendation.